Please, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I am trying to get out of this house right now to do my school run with Sarah and library run today. Already get Tyler dressed for school. Hobby is dropping Tyler to school this morning, so I will have to do that so that way I can drop Sarah to school a little bit earlier. This morning, woke up 5:30 and got my my workout in, so I'm feeling good this morning. Making Sarah sandwich because you guys know that if I pick up Sarah from school and I don't have her sandwich, it's a problem. She's screaming sandwich. So I'm doing that right now. Ty, you want to say good morning to the kids? Oh, the kids were asking if the tooth fairy came.
Yes.
The tooth fairy came?
Yes.
So tell Fibs how much money the tooth fairy give you?
She gives me €1 and a lot of cents, and the total was €4.50.
What a teeth expensive, boy. By the time all your teeth fall out, what a tooth expensive. By the time all of his teeth fall out, the tooth fairy will be broke. You see even Sarah looking up for the ball because she knows that she see it too. Woman a fool.
Mama?
Impossible, but where is the ball?
It looks like it's something my mom said.
You want to put pants?
Yes.
Tell Papa.
Papa?
You want to close and not stay outside when you close? Yeah.
Okay.
Close the volley.
Tyler, close the volley. But what are you looking for outside?
No,
The ball stick on glass.
come back.
What was that?
What was what? The things that make that noise.
Is that making noise? The ball up there? Have to be up there.
Well, you don't see, so that would be a problem at the point.
Anyway, you guys, too much going on around here. I'm heading out right now. Sarah, come. Come, stop crying. Come to mama. Tell Faith good morning. It's not a bat. It's for the mosquitoes. To kill the mosquitoes. She says a bat. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out to have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. So see you guys later. It's always a pleasure going through town. It's never get old like you live here. This is how beautiful town is. Going through town to catch the tram to go and pick up my girl. So I went to the library. I'll drop off some books for Ty. Pick up some books for him. But I didn't pick up too much because that bag with 25 books this morning almost killed me. Killed my shoulder. And with Sarah, sometimes want me to carry her. It's a struggle. So I'm in town about to catch a tram to go pick up Sarah right on time. So that's what I'm doing right now. shirt that I choose to wear today. I left a piece of my heart in Jamaica. I'm so proud when I wear this shirt. Anytime I wear anything that have to do with Jamaica, I just feel so proud. I walk in the street with my chest held high. I'm so proud of my little country. Oh my gosh. Nothing like country pride. No matter where you're from, I'm sure you feel the exact same way about your country. Comment down below and let me know which country you guys are originally from, where you guys were born, not where you live, you know, but where you were born. Yes, looking forward to all the comments in the comment section. I'm going to pick up my girl right now and head home. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm a little bit rested. I've been home, got a little rest, got some work done, and I don't know if I tell you guys that on a Tuesday I don't have to hustle and bustle with both kids for school drop off, because on a Tuesday when they work from home, he always tries to make the effort to drop Tyler to school, which Tyler absolutely love, and pick up Tyler from school. So babe dropped Tyler at school this morning, so I didn't have to do that, and he's gone to pick up Tyler from school and take Tyler to the park. So him and Tyler will be going to the park after that. So I am in the kitchen. I'm going to make some dinner. You guys know what I'm going to make for dinner today? My entire family love chicken liver. That is one thing about Jamaican food that babe love, and Tyler love it too. But babe and I love it jerk. If you guys want to know how I do it jerk, I think it's on my food channel. I do it in my air fryer with Jamaican jerk seasoning. Absolutely delicious when I do it like that. So I'm going to do some liver, and I think I'm going to do some rice with it because that would go well. Yeah, Sarah is outside playing. Let me show you guys Sarah. Look at her in the laundry basket. You guys see her in the laundry basket? Look at her in the laundry basket. Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her in the laundry basket, you guys. She's what you're talking to herself. Look at this little girl. You see, she loves playing with Tyler. That's like my both kids. They love playing with each other, but when they're alone, they play well by themselves. Look at her. She's out there talking to herself, playing to herself. Sarah looks so tall. Oh my gosh, she's so grown. So it's really nice when I can get a break from doing everything in the week. So I'm happy that babe take the time out to go pick up Ty and bring him to the park a bit. Because babe work from home on a Tuesday. So he can do that and catch up back on work later. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner, the whole menu. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Alright guys, so all I did was season the liver normally, and then I add the jerk seasoning on it. Lots of jerk seasoning because you really want that jerk kick out. So yeah, and then I'm gonna preheat my air fryer and drop some in it. This is probably gonna give me 2 fry, ensuring that none is on top of each other. So yeah, that's the jerk, and this is the normal one. I need to add onions and other fandangos to this one. Home. Hi, Ty. Hi, Ty Ty.
Hi.
No, it's not lettuce, it's cabbage.
Cabbage.
Take down.
Cabbage.
Very good. Oh! Oh! You. Oh! Oh! You okay?
Yeah.
Oh! It hit in him out?
It's my mother on my knee.
Oh my god. Sarah, go. Your turn, Sarah. Go jump.
Sarah.
Sarah, go jump. Jump. Stella turn. Jump. Go. Sarah turn.
Allez.
Go, Sarah. Look at Papa.
Ah.
We are Tyler skinny. You guys, oh my god. You guys, I have to call Tyler and show him this edited piece because I'm here editing this vlog. And the way Sarah foot slapped Tyler in his face. Oh my gosh. I had to go check on him after that to make sure that he's really okay. Oh, but it's so funny the way I edit it. I have to close out the vlog with it, so I'm just ending the vlog right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit piece laughter. If you did enjoy today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we're heading out with Sarah slapping Tyler's face. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey.